The game was never meant to stay contained.
I used to think it was all a dream.
Dreams don't leave scars.
Why do I feel like I've been here before?
The rules followed us.
Something took my memories, but it left the fear.
Then we finish it. Here.
You're not supposed to be real.
Neither was the game.
This time, there's no reset.